The right kind of exfoliation can leave your skin bright, smooth, and glowing. So here's everything you need to know about it to get it right every time. Did you know that your skin naturally sheds its dead cells approximately every 30 days to make room for newer, healthy skin? Sometimes those dead cells get stuck in the oils on your skin and build up over time, leaving you with dull skin. This is where exfoliation comes into play. What it does is remove all that gunk to unclog your pores, brighten up your skin, and even boost collagen production. Facial exfoliation can be done in a couple of different ways. You can go either the physical exfoliation route or the chemical one. And the right one for you depends on your skin type and sensitivity. Physical or manual exfoliation is probably something that you've already been doing to your body and face. It's basically just scrubbing away the dead skin with some kind of particles or grains. It's super easy to do, and while there are a ton of fancy loofahs and electronics and scrubs out there, all you really need is a soft towel. If you prefer a scrub, some natural ingredients that work great are brown sugar, finely ground coffee, oats, and chickpea flour. Mix those with something hydrating like aloe vera, almond oil, milk, or honey. If you're going with a bought scrub, it's important to find one that has tiny, smooth, round particles so it's not too harsh on your face and won't leave you with tiny cuts and irritation. Once you've picked your exfoliant, just use it to scrub in gentle circular motions on your wet skin or along with your cleanser. Make sure to get into the areas around your nose and chin, and then you can rinse. You can physically exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week, and this technique works great for people with oily, combination, or normal skin. Unfortunately, dry skin might get even flakier, and sensitive or acne-prone skin might feel raw. Chemical exfoliation is usually when you use some kind of chemical that dissolves the dead skin. This can be used in toners, serums, or even a chemical peel at your doormat, and there are quite a few options out there. Alpha hydroxy acids are water-soluble acids that come from natural fruits and milk. The most common are glycolic acid, which comes from sugarcane, lactic acid, which is found in milk, citric acid from citrus fruits. Beta-hydroxy acids are oil-soluble. These can get even deeper into your skin to dissolve oils and unclog your pores, so they're especially great for oily or acne-prone skin. One of these a lot of us know about is salicylic acid. Just like with physical exfoliation, overdoing this or using the wrong type of exfoliant can irritate your skin. Slight stinging or tingling is normal, but itching, burning, or redness is a bad sign, so it's always a good idea to check with your doormat first. The most important thing to do after exfoliating, physically or chemically, is to apply a moisturizer to replenish your skin and prevent it from drying out. We hope this helps find exactly which type of exfoliation works best for you to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.